My video guide is about removing the browser notifications associated with the website rplnd20.com. There have been similar pop-ups before from these similar websites, and these pop-ups are equally dangerous. They try to force people into subscribing to the multiple advertisements in the form of permanent web push notifications. So the pop-up says that you need to click on the special allow button supposedly to play the video. Clicking on this allow button, however, is extremely dangerous. In this case, first of all, you may be forwarded to some other questionable content. Also, you will start receiving the great number of advertisements that will be placed in the right part of the screen. You should definitely undertake the measures to get rid of these ads. Go to the menu, Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, choose Permissions, and then click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this rplnd20.com, you need to click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. And if you find any other junk sites, you should also get rid of them. This will help you to block and remove malicious ads from your computer screen. Now, to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I would strongly advise scanning it with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green button, install the application, and start researching the system with its help to detect and delete other threats from your system completely. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.